Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for checking out this video. My name is James, and if you would, guys, go ahead on subscribe to this channel, hit that bell. Uh, yeah, give me a thumbs up, thumb down, say something, guys. You always help the algorithm. Okay, listen, I'm still in BDM. Like I told you guys, BDM is a multiple stream income opportunity. Okay, and this is what we got. We got this awareness product, right? So I'm inviting you guys to become part of our wellness club. Back in 2015, I was looking for an MLM slash network marketing company, and kind of found one, and it fell apart. But anyway, 2026 early January, I found this company BDM, and I've been in it for a while, about a month, I guess, and a half maybe. And so we just launching this product here. Uh, I like it, guys, because it's what I wanted. I wanted an MLM company. I want a ground floor opportunity. I wanted great price, monthly subscription, great price point, and I wanted the comp plan to be doable where I could be successful and anybody that joined my team could be successful. And I found it in this company. So yeah, I think this is the best MLM network marketing company uh joined in 2026. All right. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it, guys. What if we could buy factory direct prices without becoming a distributor? That'd be great, right? Oh man, be wonderful. Well, you can with BDM. Most people pay retail, retailer pay wholesaler, but distributors pay factory prices. Now you can too. So stick with me, guys. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the comp plan, but you're gonna see how this works. Watch this video. My link should be there um, in this YouTube. Up under the title of the subscription, and you should click there and watch that video. I'm going to explain to you guys what we got. Okay, again, BDM is only $10 a month. But the comp plan is amazing, guys. You're gonna watch the comp plan, gonna blow you away. And this is ground floor. If you're catching it around the second, uh, 18th of February, you know. And like I said, the first 1,000 people, this is $10. After that, it's $12 a month. Still a good buy-in, right? So we have access, guys, to purchase whatever wellness product we want, health and wellness product we want. So I guess I could say the $10 a month is not for a product. It's to have access to this kind of product. Did that make sense? So when you pay the $10, you don't get a product coming to you every month. You pay the $10 a month to have access to the product. So whatever product you want, you can buy it at a discounted price. Okay. Let's go here to the calculator. I want you guys to pay attention to this now. Remember, it's going up to $12, only $10 now. Let's just say you got four people. It's already ready, and you went down five levels. Okay, that's 64 people. That's $496. So I said, well, that's not a whole lot of money. Well, that's not a whole lot of people either. And get this, guy, if you bring in one person, and out of that one person, it built that downline like that, you still get the $496. You don't have to qualify by getting four people. Do that make sense? You don't have to qualify by getting four people. No, you can get one person, and where however deep this thing go, it'll pay you. Wow. It's amazing, man. See, a lot of MLM and network marketing companies, you got to qualify. You got to have three people, and this leg got to match this leg, and you got to have so many over here, and then your downline got to have so many, so you can rank up, et cetera, et cetera. No, this just straight money here, baby. Just straight money. Let me show you something. Bear with me now. Buckle up. Make sure you got the seatbelt on. All right. Seven level down. Look at that. 256 people. That's not a whole lot of people in the MLM and network market company. $2,032. That's life changing income for a lot of people. All right. Let's keep going down because I don't want to make this video too long. 9 levels, 1,024 people. What? Now you at $8,176. Wow. Guess what? Your people making money too now. The levels they on. They making money, so they ain't quit. They making money. Again, you can have one person that join you and build this to that many people, and you're gonna get paid. You don't have to rank up him, right? You don't have to rank up. No ranking. All right, let's go. Two more, and I'm 104,096 people give you $32,752 a month. That's life changing income. The average MLM and companies, guys, they go down 30,000 to hundreds of thousands to millions of people in growth. So if you lock yourself in early, these people could be up under you. You could be there. Okay, at $32,752 a month. Guys, got any questions? My number there in the video too. My name is James. Have a great day, just because you can.